What is going on, guys? Tech Made Life here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can make your channel's logo. So let's get into it. Subscribe to Tech Made Life and turn on notifications for my latest uploads. So in order to make your logo, you need to download two apps, which are Pixel Lab and PixArt. So go over on your Play Store and search Pixel Lab. Then download this. After that, you need to search PixArt. Then download this. Now go over to PixArt. It is loading, and then click plus on the bottom. Just click plus and click draw. Then click create new. Create new. After that, you need to choose this white background, and you need to choose this one, 128 into 720 16 ratio of 9. After you have done that, now click on the arrow over here and click edit image. It will bring you to this page. Now go over to text, click text and write reaction. As I am making this logo for Reaction Town. Reaction Town, if you want that channel link, I will give down in the description below. That is my channel, and I have two channels, Reaction Town and Pande Gamers. If you want to look at them, links down in the description below. Now you need to write reaction, whatever channel's name. Just click reaction. Choose your color to black if you want a good, I'm telling you. Now choose this font. Where is it? This one. Choose this font. Just increase the size. What? A little bit low. You get the point, okay? Once you have done this, click OK. Now click text and write town. Choose the color to black. Now choose the same font, or if you want another font you can, but I will use the same font. As you can see, Reaction Town. Click OK, and then too many ads. Click skip. It's just an ad, leave it. What? Alright, save to gallery. It is saved to your gallery. Now go over to your Pixel Lab. Once open, cancel. Just it will a new text. Just delete this and go over to plus. Click plus over here and click from gallery. Now choose the logo which you have made from this, like you have made this. Then choose this, make it big like this. Now go over to the hexagon shapes, that hexagon shape, and go over to erase color. Click enable and it will remove that. Click yes. Now go over to 3D shape and click enable. The depth would be 10. Oh, you can choose the depth of your size. Click gradient and choose any color. In this case, I will choose red. So this color will be okay, red. Now Go to 3D X rotation would be -1 and Y rotation would be 10. You can choose the rotation as per your convenience. Or you can just keep it as 0. Oh my god. Wait a minute. Okay, just click OK. 3D shape is enabled. Once again, click the depth as per your convenience. Keep it 5. Okay, keep it 5. Now go over to shadow. Click enable. Okay, click OK. Click inner shadow. Click enable. Click OK. Now, as you can see, your logo has been made, and you can just change the background if you want. And yep, I will show you how to change the background also. First, go over here and click transparent. Just guys, choose transparent. Click color and choose whichever you want. Click a gradient color. It will look nice. Like I will choose any of them. Like you can choose this one also. This one is looking good. Okay, you get the point. Just make your image look good and choose your background and you're good to go. Just make the size little bit larger so that it fits in the whole background and it looks really nice. As you can see guys, now you can just click over here and click save as image. Just click save to gallery and you will be good to go.
Introducing Files Go, the cleanup app from Google that helps you free up space. Files Go learns what matters to you.
So yes guys, that's it for the video. If you like this video, please give the video a big like. I will keep the goal as 5 likes or 10 likes. Yes, I will keep the goal as 10 likes as I'm started new on this channel. And yep, so thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and stay absolutely awesome. I will meet you in my next video. Peace.
Alright.